Welcome back, everybody, to another night at Five Nights at Fuckboys. Honestly, I have no idea where we had left off. Okay, so the beginning of the game, Toy Freddy was magically bumped up to level 20 for whatever reason. Oh, I can actually do. Okay, I can actually do a party order. So does this mean I can choose who goes first, or does this just change the order of my party? Like, does this actually do something? And why do I have full tokens? I think this game is rigged, or I'm playing like a messed up game. Well, it's a messed up game to begin with, but like a modded version, I guess you would say. I did not know that whenever I actually downloaded the file, but we got mangled. Okay, so that was our last thing. We got mangled. So maybe we should do some farming and get mangled up to like level 15 or so, something like that. I mean, we got all of our people, so I guess the next thing to do is to start taking out cameras, right? Alright, so I guess that'll be the first thing that we do. This is a pretty easy area here. So there shouldn't be any problem. Okay, so the order in which they're in doesn't affect who goes first. I guess it's just like a preference thing. Like, I wish like this was more set up, like to where you can like look at someone's speed or how fast that they would go, so you can actually apply their attacks strategically. Like, if Mangled was the one to go first, and say one of my animatronics needed to be revived, I could use Mangled. That's not where I wanted to go. This is really not where I wanted to go. I could use Mangled to use a revive while another one of my animatronics, or the next one in line to go, can use one to give health, like a potion or a pizza, yeah. That way they wouldn't be going out of turn. But if it's random, and I have that same scenario where I use Mangled to revive someone and another animatronic to use a pizza on the dead animatronic, then it would be possible that they would go out of order, and the animatronic that's using a pizza will go first, and then that would be given to which other animatronic needs it. It wouldn't be going on the animatronic that actually needs the pizza. What was that? I need to start like looking at stuff more. That was something. That was a thing. That was definitely a thing. That was skills. That was Mangle skills. He's level 5. Electroshock. I don't know what that is. I like it though. Okay, so I've been farming here for a little bit in this higher area because I gave up on my previous area, and if you look at how much experience I've had, that should explain like how long I've been farming now. And so I just think it might be only Freddy that gets that real mic, and if that's the case, then I'm just gonna have to go and unlock the best Balloon Boy so I can get the best equipment that I can for Chica, Bonnie, and Mangled. So we'll fix my guys up real quick. I want to save all my large stuff for when I'm actually in a battle. Might as well go ahead and save. I haven't saved all game, and I really don't want to start back where I was. Okay, so that was a level 3 area. Was there a Balloon Boy in there? Actually, now that I think about it, I have to go and see where or how high of a level that my last Balloon Boy was, because we know that this is the weakest Balloon Boy right here. Yeah, come on. Okay, we know that this is the weakest Balloon Boy, but what level Balloon Boy is down here? And what am I supposed to do with that gift if it wasn't for Mangled? These things just get on my nerves now. Okay. This was a level 3 balloon boy. Okay, so we need to find a level 4 or a level 5 balloon boy. Is there a level 4? I don't know. But we need to find the next highest balloon boy. Or find the highest balloon boy and just go ahead and get the best equipment. See, I know that that bottom room is a high level. Yeah, like the room where the security guard sits, the room I'm going into now. Is there a balloon boy in here? Right here. Oh, this is level 5. Okay. I could do this. We're just gonna save right here just in case it doesn't go so well. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. Okay. It's fine with me.
Hi.
Inhale my.
Okay, we'll start with weapons. We don't need the mic. Okay. Oh, we can sell too. I can sell this, and I have an extra real mic. Finally, for fuck's sake. It's funny. Okay. This is completely useless. You should probably throw it away as soon as possible. You know what? Just because I have a feeling, I'm gonna keep the stick. Like for some sort of
Inhale my dong and
like some sort of secret. Because it's kind of like I don't know. What am I doing? I still need 3 more of those. Okay.
Hi.
inhale
And
my dong.
what do you have for items? Do I have birthday presents? I don't even know. Okay. Skills, no. Parts. Optimize, nice. Although I still have... Wait. Did I not get a plastic hook E? No. Did I not? It's weird. Let's look.
Hi.
Inhale my.
Weapons. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah, I know I did. It says I didn't. Oh well. Oh, I didn't need that. Okay. Oh, I sold it. That's right. I sold it. Okay. You don't need to optimize. Optimize. 206. That's looking better. 130 to 210. A lot better. Okay. Alright. So what now? What's in here? There's nothing in here. Oh, there's a camera. I'm thinking that I should go ahead and start taking out cameras. Because this is the best that my team is probably going to be. and the only way that I can like get better is by unlocking more skills, and the only way I can do that is by leveling up. So instead of wasting time farming, why not actually get some progress done, and I can earn experience as I'm going through the cameras. So we'll go through a couple of the cameras today, and then we'll save the rest for another video. I think I only took care of one camera in the starting room. I think that there was more. So if there is, we'll start there. Yeah, I took care of this camera up here, and I see 2 more cameras.
Engage the camera, motherfucker.
Yeah, here we go. This won't be a problem. What's up with me and not being prepared? Okay, so we'll use a crash. Chica, scream at the streamer. Bonnie will scream at the streamer. Skills, try to paralyze the camera. Really? Are you serious? That was it? Oh wait, yeah, I got the streamers. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm not even gonna say anything. Oh, where's the puppet? No.
This isn't happening.
No, it's not what I want.
You puppet man, you always ruin Freddy Fuckboy's pizza for me.
Is he in the bathroom again? He's got me in the bathroom, right? Oh, he's standing right there. Okay. Okay. I hate that damn puppet. I hate that puppet so much. Okay. Okay, we good? Okay, let's go ahead and go to that other camera. I mean, it ain't gonna take us long to... Whoa, the Puppet Master's down there too! I guess they put the Puppet Master literally everywhere.
Engage the camera.
That'll definitely make it easier for him to get to. So I guess I don't have to worry as much. Alright, cool. Alright, so that's down. And that's down. Mangled to 17.
I fucking did it.
Alright, is there a camera down here? Yes, there is.
Engage the
Oh, what level was that?
Engage the camera, motherfucker.
That's a level 3, I don't know about that. I don't know if we'll have time. Okay, so let's check my things. Oh, I'm still good. I'm still good to go. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Get up there.
These presents used to...
Nah, I still don't get that. Okay.
No puppet man, that's illegal.
No puppet man, that's illegal.
Engage the camera.
So it seems that there is... Oh, there's hats in this one? Shit. Okay. So, we'll use the crash on the party hat. Chica, you'll scream at the streamer. Bonnie, you'll scream at this hat. And Mangled will use an electric shock on this hat. Still not enough? Whoa! I think I was over my head on this one. And I didn't save. This will not be the end of me. Nice. Nice. skill, crash on the camera. Chica, you use your healing. Oh wait, hold on, I can't heal. Heals any of your friends for all their HP. Nice. All of her friends for. Heals all of her friends for 1,000 HP. Will that work? I don't know. Bonnie throws a bomb that inflicts a random status on the enemy team. That's cool. Actually, I kind of want to try that. They got high. Ha! Aw. Okay, that's fine. Dash. Nice. There's no way this camera can take too much more damage. Toss the spread bomb. Whoa, what? What? What was that? A spread bomb? He can attack my team, like my entire team. He could do multiple attacks. I think this just got like 20 times harder. I'll be back. How much health do you have? Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay, 1,400 experience, or 14,000 experience. Level 20, Raising Wing. Level 20, Timer Flip. Level 18, and nothing learned. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Now. Skill, no. Wait. Item. Pizzas. Nice. You know what? I think we're good for one more camera. But which camera? Oh yeah, the one in that easy hallway, of course. I probably should have took these oh yeah, he's poisoned. Forgot. Do I have any presents? I don't. Go back. We need to go back down here to this balloon boy. I don't have any presents. Really? That's gonna get annoying. Okay.
Hi.
Inhale my.
Items. And birthday present. Here we go. I know I'm gonna need these, so I'll get 50.
Hi.
Inhale my.
Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Exit. Item. Now that we have a birthday present. Nice. Alright. Go. Come on. I ain't got time for you. Reset you. Now we'll go up and we'll defeat this lonely camera that's in this hallway right here. As soon as we get past these streamers. Alright. Here we are.
Engage the camera, motherfucker.
And then after this, we'll call it a day. And then we'll continue in the next one, alright? Here we go. This shouldn't be too hard. I mean, it is only level 1. But it did withstand that. I don't think it's gonna be able to do another one though. So yeah, that's what I thought. All right, cool. Nice. Nice. This will be a short battle. All right.
I fucking did it. Eat my shit.
I was about to say something, thank you. Okay, so that'll do it for this episode right here. We're gonna go and take care of the rest of the cameras whenever we come back. So I really hope that you're enjoying this as much as I am. I love these games. Can't wait to play number 3. But I am Espion, and I will see you in the next one.